Absolutely not. I'm not gonna do macaroni like that.
This is how we make the awesome props for the haunted house. Willing victims.
We put each other through gruesome torment.
Day 24. Woo, been working pretty much all day. Got so much done. Oh, looky. What is that over there? Oh, I wonder. Maybe we finally started fleshing out the forest. And we also had helpers for the first time. Helpers we weren't related to. So, you've already seen that section over there. Let's go through the forest. Of course, obviously, it's going to look different in the dark. And like I said, as long as you have a plan for that. But starting to flesh it out and then dry, all creepy and disgusting. Love it. I'm hearing creepy sounds and it's creeping me out. Ooh, what is making noise? Ooh, I like that one. That's nice. Alright, let's go through the rat hole. Oh, hey, look, we got a bunch more down here. What was that? Poutine, that's what it was.
Poutine.
No, that's not what's going to be over there. That's this panel on the other side. Poutine. It could be the poutine haunt. That was in the way. And we'll get a bunch of these shored up. Oh, yeah. This part is finished. Finally, I know. You're like, well, you got a big old gap right there. Trust me, we know what we're doing. So excited for all these new peoples. And we have this one finished, and we have this one, and a few more over there. And we are actually going to have something in this section, which makes me happy. You won't be able to fill the entire thing up. I mean, it's 30 feet long, but excited. I'm so excited. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm so excited that they're excited. More hype. Oh, yeah. It's going to be our biggest year ever. You better get down here or you are going to miss out. And soon we'll be setting up the spider area. Just gotta kick all these peoples out. Oh yes. Maybe we'll start on tomorrow. I don't know. I think we should finish putting up the walls. I know, it's hard. Everybody wants to start with decorating, but you got to put up the bones first. So, J24 is done. It's in the books. Right.